Hello, all you lucky people. Guess who? Yes, it's me again. I don't know. Yes, we have another mystery box to undo in a minute, but this is another view of Burgess Hill. Yes, this is walking from the station, going all the way down to the bottom. You can see that bit there, the spire, that's St John's Church. And of course you got the the normal stuff I told you about. You go right down and everything. Yes, this is on the one-way system in Burgess Hill, West Sussex, England, UK. Just before we carry on, a local school, Woodlands Mead. That's I've forgotten the name of that bloody school near it. Jesus. Anyway, there's a firework night. Saturday 19th of October at Woodlands Mead School, Burgess Hill. Pre-booking tickets. Gates open at 5. Fireworks start at 15:15. Yes, so we have they have hot food. Yeah, they told me about the hot food. It would be hog roast and some more different cultured foods. Yeah, I forgot what they said. Iranian, something like that. I'm not sure, but they have different cultured foods, which is lovely to see and to taste, of course. Yeah, they have refreshments because it's a school. They're not having beer, so there won't be no beer. Rides, they'll have glow products, which is like glow in the dark shit stuff, isn't it? Yeah, entertainment by Burgess Hill Community Radio. So the radio station's going to be there. That's it. Yeah, this Woodmeads is near Oakmeads. Oakmead School. Well, it's not called Oakmead School no more. What's it called? I don't know, a college or something. I don't know. Anyway, tickets, adults £7, children £5. Pre-book price discount. Tickets available. Tickets available at the gate, subject to ability. Oh, on the gate, it's £8 and £6 for kids. But if you pre-book, it's £7 and £5 kids. And the Lions Club sponsors, these are all the sponsors, which I'm all up for them, you know. That's it, Burgess Hill Academy, that's a school. Yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah, free parking at Queen's Crescent. Yeah, so it should be a good night. If you're into firework displays, and some good food, hog roast and that lot, which I know I adore, which I will. I'll just go for the food personally, I think. Yeah, I'll leave that there so you lot can see it. Yeah, or shall I put that over there? I'll put it over here. Yeah, on top of the cars. Yeah, like a big banner. Anyway, like I said, there's going to be an unboxing. Yes, I left my address on, but you can't see it. What it is, it's a pass box. It's a past one, what they call it, Zavvy. You know, you get for £9.99. T-shirt. Actually, I didn't put the size of my t-shirt. Shite. Who? Fiddly Dum DD. What a fucking chicken nugget. What a prick. Bollocks. Yeah, it's a past, oh yeah, the novel thing. Load of people, mystery thread box, that's it. And looking at 1, 2, 3, bloody hell, 4. Oh, hello, fucking junk mail. Look at this, hold on. I like the thread box. Bloody hell, I like it. The reason why I've got the past thread box is people have been moaning about Star Trek and that lot, which, hang on, I'm trying to put the box away. Ouch. I don't mind a bit of Star Trek, but also I did see, oops, as he whips the place down, I did see a couple of cookbooks, especially one cookbook, which is not too bad. Do you want some beer? No, I didn't think so. Sky, guys, what a load of bollocks this shit is. Like, this is where your junk mail's going, in a fucking bin. Get over there. Right, now number 5, you are required. Shall we begin to see what pass box it is? Number 5, do the honours please. Thank you very much. Ooh. Yeah, I'm hoping for the cookbook. I know it sounds puffy, not puffy, but it sounds, well, you want at your age with a cookbook when there's everything online. Yeah, well, something to look at and make yourself hungry. Don't you find you look at a cookbook, you think, oh yeah, oh I could do with cooking that. If it's like, I don't know, spare ribs or something. You know what I mean? Make your mouth water and everything, but you end up on the Chinese. You know what I mean? But this is the pass thread box. I don't know which one, but we'll open it up now. Look at that. I like the box. And look, it doesn't tell you what, does it? Right. To begin with, we'll do that. We'll do a mystery. We'll get the t-shirt out. It's a black t-shirt. A black t-shirt. And it's a black t-shirt. Oh, hold on. What's this? Ultra Violence. Whoa. It's not a bad t-shirt. I quite like this. Thread box, look at it. 4XL. Jesus. Do you think I'm putting on weight? Jesus. Issue 15. I quite like that. Look at that. I can see you, chicken nugget. Yeah, bollocks. Look at that. Jesus, Ultra Violence. Not bad. Not bad. Quality. I ain't seen that one. I quite like that. We'll put that there. We'll see. But there's only one novel. And you'll be pleased to know it is not Star Trek. It's called Tortured Life. Yeah. Tea pub. What's a tea pub? Never heard of a tea pub. Alcoholic pub. Tortured Life. Yeah, reminiscent of the best Clive Baker stories. Gruesome. Ooh. Organ spewing. Starburst magazine. Oops. We'll have a look at this. This looks pretty cool. This geezer's choking. What's she doing? Look at that. See that? Yeah, look at that. Interesting read. Yes. Bam. Yeah. Don't know what to say about it. And into chapter 3, except my bloody hand hurts. Yes, yeah, I've took the splint off for a little while. Look at that cut. That's where they cut me. Yeah, they operated on me. They thought my brain was there. Yeah. Think again, chicken nuggets. Think again. Right, like I said, here we go. And look at this. Oh, hold on. I've seen something. What's this? What's this? Enjoy the comic. Email us at Info Tea Pub UK, and we'll send you a free what? Send you a free comics and bonus material. Oh, thousands of you now be doing that, won't they? Yeah, tortured life. Yeah. But yeah, interesting reading, I think. So, just to recap what we got in a past thread box, it doesn't even tell you what month it is. Just a past, yeah, which is cool. Didn't get the cookery book, but hey ho. What do I want the box for? I don't. Back off. Fucking box. Hey, it's Boxing Day. Yeah. I was going to say, yeah, follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram. Yeah, this will make good reading. And if anybody's got any cookery books they want to get rid of, email me. And if you want to make a swap with that and a cookery book, yep, I'm up for that. Yep, I know, you know what you're doing with a cookery book, but you'd be surprised. I'd rather make food than buy it. Would you believe? Yes. Bollocks! Yeah, I know. Right, so got a good t-shirt, which is it's going to be a nice fit. And remember, if you're in Burgess Hill on Saturday the 19th of October at 5 o'clock, Woodlands Mead School's having a family fireworks night. Be sure to attend, it's going to be great. I'm going to be there. I might take some photos, but it'll be dark. So, yeah, I might take some photos, see how it goes. Especially of the food. Yeah, that'd be cool. Anyway, that's another story I might go. Show me some love by subscribing and liking the video. Oh, because I'm not being showed much love. I don't know why. People don't love me. But show me some love by subscribing, liking and sharing this video. And follow me on Instagram. And this is Mystery Finder 4 signing off in Burgess Hill. Goodbye. And remember, be safe on firework night. And be careful of the chicken nuggets. Good night.